Good morning, children. Today we are going to solve exercise 2.9. Okay, in numbers and sequence, this is the last exercise. First, we have seen number based on the sequence and series. First two exercise, that is exercise 2.5 and 2.6, we have discussed about arithmetic sequence and arithmetic series. In 2.7 and 8, what we have discussed, we have seen the problems based on geometric sequence and geometric series. Isn't it? Now we are going to solve exercise 2.9. Okay. Here also we are going to solve some. We are going to add some series value, series of numbers value. But what? Here we are going to see about some special series. Okay. Let us see what is meant by the special series now. See here, for example, I wrote 4 examples here. Is what about the first one? 2, 4, 6, 8. Here we have the common difference between the successive terms. Isn't it? We have the common difference between the successive terms. So the first example we can say it is an AP. See about the second one. Whether the first one check whether it is a GP. No, it is not a GP. Only AP. See here this example 3, 9, 27. It has a common multiple of 3 in each term. So it is a GP. Now see this two. Third and fourth. Okay, here we are having 1 square, 2 square, 3 square. Okay, however we find the square, the value will be 1, 4, 9. This case will not come under GP as well as AP also. This will not satisfy both the conditions. Okay, it will not satisfy GP and AP condition. Such series. Okay, this also comes under the special series. These problems can also be solved under the special series, but particularly this type of problems. Okay, which series is not AP and GP comes under the special series. There are some formulas to solve such special series. Let us solve the formulas now. Okay, so you have to keep in your mind these formulas. Whatever the formulas apply for what type of series. If you know the formulas thoroughly, only you can see the series and apply the correct formula and find the answer. Okay, here in the special series we are speaking about the natural numbers. Okay, the series of natural numbers. What are the different types of series? First one, see, sum of first n natural numbers. Sum of first n natural numbers means it is up to 100, up to 400 like that. First n natural numbers means it starts from 1, 2, 3, likewise up to whatever, maybe for up to 400. Find the answer means directly you can use the first formula. Sum of first n natural number. Natural number starts from 1. So here the series should start from 1. Then only you can use this formula. Sum of first n natural numbers, we can use the formula n into n plus 1 by 2. N is nothing but the value of the nth term. N is nothing but the value of the nth term or the last term. Okay. So the sum of first n natural numbers, simply they gave the natural numbers to add. Means we have to use the formula n into n plus 1 by 2. Okay. Yes. Next one, sum of first n odd natural numbers. Okay, odd natural numbers, not only odd natural numbers. We have to use the formula n square or n plus 1 by 2 the whole square. If the series is made up of only the odd numbers, okay, only the odd numbers from first n natural numbers, we have to use the formula n square. This formula you can use whenever you know the number of terms. Whenever you know the number of terms. This formula you can use whenever you know the last term of the series. Both the formula you can use, but based on the given in the question, you can choose either one of the formula. N square. If you are adding the natural numbers, you can use n square if the question has the number of terms. Otherwise, you can use the formula n plus 1 by 2 the whole square in the question in the given series. If the last term is there, you can use the second formula. Yes. The next one, sum of squares of first n natural numbers. Sum of squares of numbers. Please see that this example, squares of natural numbers. If you are adding the squares of first n natural number, adding the squares of first n natural number, you have to use the formula n into n plus 1, 2n plus 1 by 6. What's the formula? N into n plus 1, 2n plus 1 by 6. Next one, the sum of cubes of first n natural number. If you are adding the cubes of natural number, the formula is n into n plus 1 by 2 the whole square. Okay. The special series, in this exercise the problem will lie at least in one of this condition. Okay. Maybe it may be a sum of natural number, or it may be a odd number, or cube squares of natural number, or cubes of natural number. Okay. four sets of formula is there. You have to be thorough with this four formula for what we have to apply. Square means if you solve the squares of natural numbers, which formula we have to use? n into n plus 1, 2n plus 1 by 6. Okay, so be thorough in our mind with this formula. We will solve our exercise problem now. So see the first problem in this exercise, children. We have to find the sum of the given series. Okay, the first problem they gave me subdivision here. We will solve one by one. The question what you have to find here, we have to find the sum of the series. Okay, and under the first problem, 1, 2, 3, as etc. The last number we are having up to 60. Okay, we can say it is a AP also because the difference 2 minus 1 is 1, 3 minus 2 is 1. We can solve this problem using the arithmetic series formula also. But we have the simple way to find the answer. Sum of first year natural numbers means without finding the common difference or selecting the formula from the arithmetic series, we can solve it simply using the special series. Sum of first year natural number. What is the first formula? Sum of first year natural numbers. What formula we have to use? N into n plus 1 by 2. What is the formula? N into n plus 1 by 2. See here, the question here is sum of first 60 natural numbers. Sum of first 60 because it starts from 1, 2, 3 and going on up to the number 60. So it is the sum of first 60 natural numbers. So what is the formula we have to use here? N into n plus 1 by 2. We have to use the formula n into n plus 1 by 2. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus etc. plus 16 is equal to, what is n here? The last number. So n we can take it as 16. So which is equal to, for this we are writing the answer. What is the formula? N into n plus 1 by 2. So substitute the value in this formula. What is n? 60. So 60 into, if you want to write the formula and do the problem. Okay. So just I have written on the side of the problem. 60 into 60 plus 1 by 2. How to solve this? After this only numbers, arithmetic numbers, we know how to solve it, isn't it? Just solve and find the answer. So 60 into 61 by 2, isn't it? If you simplify 2 and 60, it is able to simplify, so we get the answer 30 into 61 because 2 3s are 6. So 30 into 61. If you multiply 30 into 61, the value, what is the value? 1830. 1830. Okay, if you multiply 30 into 61, 1830. That means if I add 1 plus 2 plus etc. up to 60, the value is 1830. The sum of and natural numbers up to 60 is 1830. So we got the answer of the first one. So apart from this question, it starts from 1 to 3 etc. Whatever the last value is given, we have to consider. Here we are having the question 60. If it is 1000 or 400, 500, anything else, just consider the last value as n. Okay, but the question should be first n natural numbers. Okay, it should start from 1. Consider the value of n. Just choose the formula n into n plus 1 by 2. Substitute in the formula and find the sum of the value. Yes. Let's see the second problem here. 3, 6 plus 9 etc. up to 96. Again, this can be solved in the way of AP, but in the base of special series, what formula we can use? 3, 6, 9. It is not the sum of first n natural numbers because it should start from natural numbers means continuously it should be there 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But see here we are having the number 3, 6, 9 plus etc. up to the last value 96. So how to solve this number? Is see, it is a multiple of 6. Sorry, multiple of 3 here. See 3. 3 is a 6. 3 is a 9. So the series is a multiple of 6. So just use the formula. I am taking 3 common outside. If I take 3 common, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus etc. plus 3 and 2. 32. The last value will be 32. See, if I took 3 common, we are having 3 into the first n natural numbers up to 32. So again, what's the formula we can use here? 1, 2, 3. It is a natural numbers up to 32. Again, we can use the same formula. 3 into n plus 1 by 2. What is the value of n here in the series? 32. Just apply that. So 3 into 32. 32 plus 1 by 2. Yes. So 3 into, sorry, it is simplified 16 times, isn't it? So 16 into 33. If I multiply 16 into 33, 16 into 33 value, the value is 528. Then multiply with 3. So the value is 1584. Okay, see this series. While seeing the question, you will check first what is it, whether it is AP, GP, or everything. Okay, this problem can be solved in the way of AP also. But here we are going to solve this in the special series. So what the change we can do here was just if I take 3 common, the other numbers will form the series of natural numbers up to 32. So I am using the formula n into n plus 1 by 2 here, and using that we solved the series and we got the value 1584. Okay children, is next to see the third subdivision children. See here the question 51, 52, 53 etc. up to 92. Here we are having the continuous number natural numbers only, but from 51 only we are having the continuous natural number. See 51, 52, 53 up to 92 we are having the continuous number. But in the special series, one thing we have to note clearly, all the summations, whatever the series we are having, it should be from the first natural number. Okay, what is the first natural number? 1. It should start from 1. Maybe it's a odd number or squares of natural number, cubes of natural number. It should be start from 1, 1 square, 2 square, like that only it should start. Then only we can apply the formula directly here. But in this question, see, we are having the natural numbers only, but it starts from 51, 52, continuously from 51. Before 51, 1 to 50 is not there. Okay, so directly we can't use the summation formula here. The formula n into n plus 1 by 2 cannot be used here directly. So what is the way to use the formula here? Okay, here we are having the series from 51 to 92. So what we are going to do here was the series we are going to rewrite as 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus etc. plus 92. We are taking 1 to 92 minus up to what here? There is no numbers, natural numbers. Up to what that is, from where it starts 51. Before 51, what is the number? 50. So 1 to 50 natural numbers are not there. So we are going to subtract here 1 plus 2 plus etc. plus 50. See, whenever the series is given, we have to check. We are going to use the special series formulas first. The series should start from first natural number. If it is not started with us, if we are having any other continuous series, we have to do the problem in another way like this. We have to take 1 to 92. We are taking the full natural numbers 1 to 92 and we are subtracting the summation which is not in the question. Okay, what is not in the question? Up to 50. So just we are subtracting 1 to 50. Okay, this will give you the result of 51, 52, 53 up to 92. Just I am taking 1 to 92 and subtracting 1 to 50. So the value will be subtracted. So the right answer will give you the sum of this series. Okay, now see this series we have written the sum of two series. Here it starts from 1 to 3 up to 92. The second series also starts from 1 to 3 up to 50. What's the formula here we have to use? Both are sum of natural numbers only. So we have to use n into n plus 1 by 2. Okay, just I am going to substitute for the first series. Here the n is the last number 92. For the second series the n is 50. So n into n plus 1 by 2. N into n plus 1 by 2 minus, remember it is we are subtracting, so minus 50 into 50 plus 1 by 2. For both we are using the same formula as well, n into n plus 1 by 2. Now solve it. We are having 92 into 93 by 2 minus 50 into 51 by 2. If we simplify, 46 into 2 is 92. So we are having 46 into 93 minus, if I simplify here, 25 into 2 is 50. So 25. So 25 into 51. We know the multiplication. No? We have to multiply and get the value from both and we have to subtract it. If I multiply 46 into 93, the value is 4278 minus 25 into 51, 1275. If we subtract both, the value is 3003. If we multiply both of this, the value is 4278 and 25 into 51, the value is 1275. If you subtract this two numbers, the value is 3003. That is the sum of the given series from 51 to 92. The answer is 3003. Okay. Yes. So be clear with this. Whatever the series is given, if it is given from the middle of any natural numbers continuous elements, you have to use this clue only. Okay, you have to take 1 to the last number. Okay, 1 to the last number given in the question and subtract the series which is not given in the question. For example, here it starts from 51. So up to 15 is not there. So just I am subtracting 1 to 50. Then again the same formula for both the series. Just I am subtracting the values and getting the given series answer. Okay, let us see the next problem, children. See here, 1 plus 4 plus 9 plus 16 etc. up to 225. Okay, so see, it is not coming under any condition of it is there are odd numbers, isn't it? Also, it is not the continuous natural number also. If it is a continuous natural number, we can use the formula. But what is the clue or how the series is framed here? Check, see whether they are square numbers. The series is made up of only square numbers. See how we can write. 1 can be written as 1 square. 2 can be written, 4 can be written as 2 square. 9 can be written as 3 square. And 4 square plus etc. plus 15 square. Yes. Still, we can't use AP also here. We can't use GP also here. So, other than AP and GP means we have to check with the special series. By checking the question, it is not the continuous natural number. Also, it is not the odd number. So, while seeing the terms of the series, we are having the square numbers around. Square numbers around is just rewriting the series in the form of square. So, 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square up to etc. plus 15 square. Now, tell me what is the series? Squares of natural numbers. Squares of first 50 natural numbers. So, what is the formula we have to use here? N into n plus 1. 2n plus 1 by 6 this is the formula we are going to use. What is n? N is here the last value which is 15. Just substitute the value 15 into 15 plus 1, 2 into 15 plus 1 by 6. If I solve it, 15 into 15 plus 1 is 16 and here 2 into 15 plus 1. So 2 into 15 is 30. 30 plus 1 is 31 by 6. Just simplify and then multiply. Okay, because denominator 6 is there. If you multiply the numerator 3 values and divided by 6 is, it will also give the correct answer, but the process will go long. So just simplify and then multiply the answers. Okay, if I simplify by 3, 2 3s are 6. And if I simplify 15 plus 5 3s are 15. Again, 1 2 is 2 and 8 2s are 16. So finally we are having the number 5 into 8 into 31. 5 into 8 it is 5 is a 40. 40 into 31. So multiply that 4. 4 is at 12 and 0. And 4 is 4, 3 4 is at 12. So the final answer is 1240. So if we add 1 square, 2 square up to 15 square, the sum of the series is 1240. Okay children? Let's see the fifth problem in this. Okay. Now the fifth problem is based on squares of natural numbers. C6 square plus 7 square plus 8 square plus etc. up to 21 square. Okay. By seeing the question, what you are seeing in this question here? Shall we use the formula directly square formula here? No, because in special series, whatever the series we are having, it should start from the first natural number 1. But here the series starts from 6, 7, 8, 9. It is continuous series only. But the problem here is it starts from 6. Okay, it's we have to you can use the formula only when the series starts from 1, 2, 3, etc. Okay, so what is the change we can do here? Okay, in the previous problem I explained no. It starts in the middle. How we can rewrite the series? We can rewrite the series as 1 square, 2 square, 3 square plus etc. plus 21 square. Okay, minus up to what we have to minus? Here it starts from 6, so we have to subtract up to 5. So 1 square plus 2 square plus etc. plus 5 square. Now see, it will give you the correct answer because 1 to 21 minus 1 to 5 is subtracted. So the right answer is 6, 7, 8 up to 21 square. So squares of natural numbers. Squares of natural numbers is what's the formula we have to use? N into n plus 1 2n plus 1 by 6. We have to use the formula n into n plus 1 2n plus 1 by 6. What is n in this first series? It is the last number 21 and in the second series it is 5. Shall we substitute it? N into n plus 1 that is 21 plus 1 2 into 21 plus 1 by 6 minus of 5 into 5 plus 1 2 into 5 2 into 5 plus 1 by 6. Okay, we can use this. So for the first series the n is 21, so 21 into 21 plus 2 2 into 21 plus 1 by 6. The second series is 5, so 5 into 5 plus 1 2 into 5 plus 1 by 6. Okay, now 21 plus 1 is 22 and 21 into 2 is 42 42 plus 1 is 43. Here minus of 5 into 5 plus 1 is 6 and 5 is 10 plus 1 is 11 by 6. Just after substituting the formula, normal addition and multiplication only. Okay, we know how to add and multiply the numbers and how to simplify the numbers also. So using the knowledge we are going to solve this. Okay, first here if I multiply cancel 6 and 6 directly, the value is minus 55. 11 into 5 55. Here we have to simplify. Isn't it how we can simplify? 2 3s are 6, 7 3s are 21. If I simplify 1 2 is 2, 11 into 2 22. So the running value is 7 into 11 is 77 into 43. So we are getting the value 77 into 43 minus 55. If I multiply 77 into 43, the value is 3311 minus 55. So the value is 3256. If I subtract 55 from 3311, the value is 3256. So the sum of the given series squares of numbers from 6 square to 21 square, the value is 3256. So whenever whatever it is cube or square, whatever the value starts from the middle, just use this logic. You have to take 1 to the last value and subtract the number not given in the series question. Okay, just subtract, use the formula, just calculate using your own way. You can multiply and then also cancel, but cancel using your own way, whatever you multiply. Just find the value. Okay, now the second question, the sixth question. 10 cube plus 11 cube plus 12 cube etc. up to 20 cube. Here we are having the cubes of natural number. See this question also, we are not having the first natural number. Okay, that it is not start from the first natural number, it starts from 10 only. So how to rewrite this? How we will rewrite this? 1 cube plus 2 cube plus etc. plus 20 cube, the last number, minus up to what number is not there in the given series? 9. So 1 cube plus 2 cube plus etc. plus 9 cube. Cubes of natural number. What is the formula to add the cubes of natural number? n into n plus 1 by 2 the whole square. n into n plus 1 by 2 the whole square. Just apply what is n here? The last number. What is the last number is here? So take the last number and plus n. So 20 into 20 plus 1 by 2 the whole square minus 9 into 9 plus 1 by 2 the whole square. So 20 into 20 plus 1 is 21 by 2 the whole square minus 9 into 10 by 2 the whole square. If I simplify, just you can simplify 10. So the value is 210 minus, if I simplify by 210 the whole square, that is the square plus 200 the whole square minus 45 the whole square. Okay, so 210 the whole square, that is 21 square is 441 and double zeros. Okay, so 21 is 441 and double zeros minus 45 square, we have to find the 45 square, 2025. So if I subtract both these values, it will give me 42075. Okay, so if you are adding the cubes of natural number from 10 to 20, the value is 42075. Okay, so whenever you are having the special series, see the series ones and read out with the formula. So for what series cubes square means, we have to use this formula. If you change the formula, the problem will last number and subtract the terms which are not given in the question and find the answer. Okay. Yes. See the seventh subdivision in the first problem, children. The first problem has 7 subdivision only. This is the last problem, the last subdivision in the first problem. Okay. See the seventh question. 1 plus 3 plus 5 etc. up to 71. Okay, we are marking up to the 71. Now, what is the series here? Whether it's a continuous natural numbers or squares of natural number, what it is? Here we are having the odd numbers 1, 3, 5. Only the odd numbers are there, but it starts from the first rank natural number. Okay. For other series, we always take the last number as n because we are having the continuous natural number 1, 2, 3 without break. But the last number, the number of counting. For example, if I am taking 1, 2, 3 up to 72 means the number of terms in the series also 72. Okay. But here you should not take the last term as n. See why? Only we are having the odd numbers 2, 4, 6, even numbers are missing. So it is not a continuous series, so we can't take the last number as n. Okay. So sum of odd numbers by two formulas. One is n square, other one is n plus 1 by 2 the whole square. If number of terms is given, you have to use the formula n square. If number of terms is given. Otherwise, you have to last term known means you have to use the formula n plus 1 by 2 the whole square. Okay. This question comes under which category? We know the number of terms here? No. Only the last quadrant is given here. So we are going to choose the formula n plus 1 by 2 the whole square. What is the last term in this question? 71. So we are going to use n plus 1 by 2 the whole square formula. What is n? 71 plus 1 by 2 the whole square. 71 plus 1 is 72 by 2 the whole square. If I divide 72 by 2, the value is simplified value is 36. 36 is the whole square. So 36 square means we have to multiply 36 into 36. If we multiply, the value is 1296. The square of 36 is 1296. Okay. So whenever you are having the odd numbers, see the question once. If it is number of terms up to 40 terms, like that, the number of terms is given this, you have to use the formula n square. If the last term is mentioned in the question, you have to use n plus 1 by 2 the whole square. Just substituting and getting the value. Okay. So the sum of the difference is 1296. See the second problem here. If 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus etc. plus k is equal to 325, find 1 cube, 2 cube plus 3 cube plus etc. up to plus k cube. They gave the sum of the series value here 1 plus 2, 3 up to we don't know the last value. But if we add the series 1 to k, the value is 325. Using this, we have to find the value of 1 cube, 2 cube, 3 cube up to k cube. Okay. So what is given here? 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus etc. plus k is equal to 325. Okay, what is the formula for this? We are having the last number here k. So we can give this series in the form of k into k plus 1 by 2. Isn't it? Because 1 to k natural numbers here added. So I can write this series in the form of formula as k into last number is k. Instead of n, we are having here k. So k into k plus 1 by 2 is equal to 325. Okay, just I am going to take square on both the sides, or squaring on both the sides. If I am squaring on both the sides, what will be the value? K into k plus 1 by 2, the whole square is equal to 325 the whole square. See, k into k plus 1 by 2 the whole square. Okay, see the formula of natural numbers and cubes of natural numbers, n into n plus 1 by 2. For natural number, the formula is n into n plus 1 by 2. Cubes of natural number, the formula is n into n plus 1 by 2 the whole square. Okay, the square is the difference here. This will give you the 1, 2, 3 up to n. This will give you the sum of answer 1 cube, 2 cube, 3 cube up to n cube. So here also we are having k into k plus 1 by 2 the whole square. So if we expand the series, how we can expand the series? 1 cube, 2 cube plus etc. plus k cube is equal to 325 the whole square. What is the value of 325 the whole square? 10562. full problem. Okay, one series is given, they are asking the answer for the other series. If you compare these two series, for natural numbers we will be having the formula n into n plus 1 by 2. Cubes of natural number will be having the formula n into n plus 1 by 2 the whole square. Just if I take the square answer, okay, square of the answer of natural number will get the cube, okay, cubic answer. That's what we are doing here. Just if I am rewriting this 1 to k as k into k plus 1 by 2 the 1 by 2. Just taking square on both the sides. So this side can give you the expansion of 1 cube, 2 cube up to k cube. That's what we have to find. So 1 cube, 2 cube up to k cube is 325 the whole square. 325 into 325 the value is 105625. So we got the answer here. Next, see the third problem. Actually this third problem just reverse of this problem. See the question itself, understand. What is here given? Cube of natural number up to k is given answer, and they are asking the natural number value k up to k. They are asking the natural number value. Okay, just the reverse of this problem. What is given here? 1 cube plus 2 cube plus etc. plus k cube is equal to 44100. Okay, if I write it in the formulas, we can write this k into k plus 1 by 2 the whole square is equal to, yeah, we got the value. But the question what we have to find 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to k. That means I have to remove the square. If I remove the square, the series will come as 1, 2, 3 up to k. How we can remove the square? We can, what we can do? We are going to take square root on both the sides. Square root on both the sides. I am taking the square root on both the sides. Here square root of k into k plus 1 by 2 the whole square is equal to square root of 44100. Here square root are reciprocal, so they will get cancelled. The remaining is k into k plus 1 by 2 is equal to, what is the square root of the value? That is for 441 the value is 21 and for double 0 is 1. Isn't it? So how we can rewrite this as that is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus etc. plus k is equal to 210. Okay, so if you understand the first problem, it is clear to for the second problem. Just take the cube, so I am writing the formula for the cube. Without square numbers, it is the sum of natural numbers. So I am removing the square by taking the square root on both the sides. If I take the square root will be removed here. So we have one of the natural numbers 1 up to k. And if you take the square root of this number, we are having 210. Okay, children? See the fourth problem. How many terms of the series 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus etc. the last value is not given there, plus etc. is given, should be taken to get the sum of 14400. Okay, so 14,400. See now, they gave the series, the last term is not mentioned up to what term they added, they know, but certain term they added, just take it as n. They added the term up to n. We don't know the value, just taking in general as n, 3 cube plus etc. plus n cube. The answer is given in the question as 14,400. How many terms we have to find? That means we have to find the value of n here. Okay, find the number of terms. That means we have to find the value of n here. The given series in the form of cubic series 1 plus 2, 1 cube, 2 cube, cubic numbers. Okay, so what's the formula? If I expand, the last term I am taking here is n, means we can expand it in the form of n into n plus 1 by 2 the whole square is equal to 14400. Yes, we have to find the value of n. So how to do the calculation? First we have to remove square, then only we can do the calculation for n. Okay, if I want to remove the square, we have to take square root on both the sides. If I am taking the square root on both the sides, n into n plus 1 by 2 the whole square is equal to square root of 14400. Square root here will get cancelled. So n into n plus 1 by 2 is equal to 120. The square root of this is 120. Now I want to find the value of n. Okay, so I am going to group the numbers and n separately. Just taking to the right side of the equation. So n into, if I multiply n inside, n into n is n square plus n is equal to 120 into 2. Just I am taking 2 to the next side of the equation and multiplying the n inside the bracket. So we got n square plus n. Now what is the equation we are having? N square plus n is equal to 120 into 2, that is 240. I can rewrite this as n square plus n minus 240 is equal to 0. What is this equation finally we are getting? This is a quadratic equation with variable n. Okay, so if I solve using the quadratic equation by multiplication, I have to get minus 240, and if you add, I have to get the value of 1. What are the numbers? 15 and 16. See, 15 into 16 is 240. Minus 15 plus 16 is 1. So the value is n minus 15 and n plus 16 equal to 0. So we will be getting the two values of n. One as n is equal to 15, the other one n is equal to minus 16. Here we are speaking about the number of terms. We got the two values of n. One is positive, other one is negative. Here the negative value is not possible because the number of terms will not be in negative. So this value is not possible. This value is not possible. Just the value is n is equal to 15. So the number of terms here is 15. So if I add the series up to 15 terms, the answer will be 14,400. So the number of terms needed here is 15 terms. Okay children? See the fifth problem. The sum of the squares of the first n natural number is 285 and the sum of the cube is 2025. Find the n. Actually this is true, similar to the fourth question only. See, they gave two conditions here. The sum of first n natural number is 285. Using the first n natural number formula, we can find the value of n, or we can use the cubes of natural number. Set it n into n plus 1 by 2 the whole square. What we do in the fourth problem, the same method we can apply here and we can find the value of n. But in this question, they give two conditions. So let us see how to solve this problem using these two conditions. We can take any one and solve. But here two conditions are there now. So using both this condition, we will solve the value and find the value of n here. So what are the next questions given? Things given in the question here. The squares of natural number, that is 1 square plus 2 square plus etc. first n natural number. So n square is equal to 285. How to rewrite this is n into n plus 1, 2n plus 1 by 6 is equal to 285. Make this as equation 1. The second condition is 1 cube plus 2 cubes plus etc. plus n cubes. Cubes of natural number is equal to 2025. That can be written as n into n plus 1 by 2. The whole square is equal to 2025. Let us solve the second first, then use in the first equation. Now see, if I am taking the square root on both the sides, the value will be n into n plus 1 by 2. Square and square root will get cancelled. We will be having square root of 2025. Taking square root on both the sides. Now, n into n plus 1 by 2 is equal to square root of 2025 is 45. So I can take this n into n plus 1 is equal to 45 into 2, which is equal to 90. So n into n plus 1 is equal to 90. Make this as equation 2. What I am going to do is, we are going to substitute equation 2 in equation 1. That means we can replace n into n plus 1 by the value of 90. So substitute equation 2 in 1. That means the first two values n into n plus 1 can be replaced by the value 90 into 2n plus 1 by 6 is equal to, what is the value? 285. 285. If I simplify 90 by 6, the value is 15. 15 into 6 is 90, isn't it? So 15 into 2n plus 1 is equal to, we are having 285. Now I want the value of n alone. So 2n plus 1 is equal to 285 by 15. Isn't it? So 2n plus 1 is equal to, if I simplify this, we are getting the value of 19. Because 1 into 15 is 15, the remaining will be 135. 135 divided by 15, 9 times of 15 is 135. So 19. So if we solve, 2n is equal to 19 minus 1, that is 2n is equal to 18. So n is equal to 18 by 2. So n is equal to 9. We got the value of 9. Okay. This is the one of the way to solve this problem. There are two other ways to solve this problem also. How much we can take just this alone, equation alone, without using the second condition. Just we can use this equation 1 alone. Just take the 6 column to the next side of the equation and forming equation based on n. Then we can find the value of n. Otherwise, the simple way is, see here, see this step. n into n plus 1 by 2 is equal to 45. If we multiply this 2 here and n inside the bracket, we will get a quadratic equation. Based on this quadratic equation, we will get the n value also. Okay. But here, why I chose this method is they give two conditions. Based on the two conditions, how we can get the value of n. Okay. So we choose this method and we got the value of n. Okay. If we did any other method also and get the correct value of n, it is also correct one. See the sixth problem. Rekha have 15 square color papers of sizes 10 cm, 11 cm, 12 cm, etc. 24 cm. How much area can be generated using this color papers? Actually, instead of giving the question in the form of series, they gave here, she has a person, a girl has how many square color papers? 15 square color papers of size. Okay, the number of square color papers is 15 of sizes 10 cm, 11 cm, 12 cm, 24 cm. How much area can be generated using this color paper? One color paper is in the form of square and its side is 10 cm. How much area it will cover? Okay, a square. If there is a square of paper and having 10 cm, how much area it will cover? What is the square formula? Side into side. So it can cover 10 into 10, 100 centimeter square. It will cover the area of 100 centimeter square. But here she is not having only one square paper, she is having 15 square paper. So how to calculate the whole area? Means we have to add the areas of all square papers which should be covered. Okay, just we are going to add all the 15 areas of the colored square papers. Now how to add it? In the form of series, the formula is a square, side into side. So the first side is 10 square. So area decorated using the color paper is equal to, we are going to add the areas of each and every square. So the first square starts from 10 cm. So 10 cm, so 10 square plus 11 square plus 12 square plus etc. The last value is 24 square. Now the given question we have written in the form of the series. Here we are speaking about the area of the square. So 10 square, each and every side should be square to find the area. So 10 square plus 11 square up to 24 square. Now see, we got the special series here. It starts from 10 only. So what is, we can rewrite this as 1 square, 2 square plus etc. plus 24 square minus 1 square plus 2 square plus etc. plus 9 square, because here the series starts from 10. So I am taking 1 to 24 minus 1 to 9. What is the formula? Squares. Squares of natural numbers, we have to solve the n into n plus 1. 2n plus 1 by 6. We have to use this formula. So substitute here 24 plus 1, 2 into 24 plus 1 by 6 minus 9 into 9 plus 1, 2 into 9 plus 1 by 6. Isn't it? Now, if I simplify, okay, finally we will simplify. 24 into 25. 2 into 24 is 48. 48 plus 1 is 49 by 6 minus 9 into 9 plus 1 is 10 and 9 plus 18. 18 plus 1 is 19 by 6. If you simplify by 6, 1 6 is 6. 6 4s are 24. So 4. Here if I simplify, 3 times means 2 3s are 6. 3 3s are 9. 1 is 2 and 5 is 10. So what are the remaining values we are having here? 25 into 4. 25 into 4 is 100 into 49 minus 5 into 3 is 15. 15 into 19. 15 into 19. So just we have to multiply and subtract the value. If we multiply with 4900 minus 15 into 19, the value is 285. 15 into 9 is 285. So the final answer is, if I subtract it is 4615. And we are speaking about the square. So and the unit is here centimeter. So the total area is 4 papers what she is having, she can cover the area of 4615 centimeter square. Okay, so see the question, they have told the indirectly we have to square each number and add it. Here they are speaking about the color papers and the area should be covered. So area of the square is side into side. We have to square each sides. So we are squaring and adding each sides to get the total area. So it's from the special series here. So based on the special series formula, we got the answer. Okay, children. See the 7th problem, children. Find the sum of the series 2 cube minus 1 cube plus 4 cube minus 3 cube plus etc. 6 cube minus 5 cube up to the last term is not given. We have to find the sum of the terms up to n terms, the second summation up to the 8 terms. First, we are going to find up to the n terms. Okay, see the series is very different now. How we are going to solve? So first, the given question is 2 cube minus 1 cube plus 4 cube minus 3 cube plus 6 cube minus 5 cube. I am going to create. What is we are going to? I am going to create this. We are going to create the nth term here. Because if you know the general nth term only, we can apply the formula and find the value. So plus etc. If I want to create the nth term for this series, see how the series is framed. 2 minus 1, 4 minus 3 gives 6 minus 5. So even number minus the previous odd number, again even number minus the previous odd number. Okay, so in general, how the even number can be given? 2n. So I am creating the last term as 2n the whole cube minus the odd number before it. So even number, any even number minus 1 to give you the before odd number. For example, if 12 is the even number, before number is the odd number, how we can get 12 minus 1? Like that, if I am taking the last term of this, I mean the nth term of this series as the even number is 2n plus, here the odd number will be 2n minus 1 the whole cube. Yes, we created the nth general term here. Using this formula, general formula only, the series is generated here. Now, see what the next thing we are going to do is, I am going to segregate the even number separately and odd number separately to find the sum of the series. So if I want to segregate the even number here, just what are the even numbers here? 2 cube plus 4 cube plus 6 cube plus etc. The last even number is 2n the whole cube, isn't it? Minus the odd numbers 1 cube plus 3 cube plus 5 cube plus etc. 2n minus 1 the whole cube. Okay. Now make this as equation 1. After this we are going to, here two series are there. Based on even number and based on odd number we are segregating the two series. I am going to find the value of these two series separately and I am going to substitute in equation 1. So first I am going to consider the first equation 2 cube plus 4 cube plus 6 cube plus etc. plus 2n cube. So it is based on the special series, isn't it? 2, 4, 6, etc. So to use the formula, just it is a multiple of 2, 2 to the 4, 4 to the 6, multiple of 2. So just I am taking 2 cube common outside. If I take 2 cube common outside, the remainder will be 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus etc. Here it will be what? 2 cube. I take 2 cube outside. So the remainder will be n cube. Okay, just I am considering the first series here. And I am finding that here we are having only the even numbers, that is a multiple of 2. So just I am taking the multiple of 2 outside with 2 cube. So the remaining part of the series will be 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube up to n cube. Now the cube value is 8. So 8. Here the cubes are first n natural numbers. So we can apply the formula directly. What is the formula of first n natural number? Cubes of first n natural number, n into n plus 1 by 2 the whole square. N into n plus 1 by 2 the whole square. So 8 into, if I multiply n inside, if you take square and then multiply, it will be very easy, no? So 8 into, if I take the square inside, n square, again n plus 1 the whole square. Square is common for all the terms here. 1, 2, 3 terms are there, common for all the 3 terms. So 8 separately keep aside, n square, n plus 1 the whole square by 2 to the 4. 4 and 8, if I simplify, we will be getting the value 1 4 is 4, 2 4 are 8. So 2 into n square into n plus 1 the whole square. 2 into n square n plus 1 the whole square. How to expand this? See, 2n square, we are having 2n square into n plus whole square because we can't take the directly square inside. We are having plus of 2 terms, so we have to use the algebraic formula a plus b whole square. So we will use the formula a square plus 2ab plus b square, that is n square. 2 into n into 1 is 2a plus 1 square is 1. Now here they multiply the value. Okay, so 2 n power 4. Each and every value should be multiplied by 2n square. So 2n power 4 plus 2 to the 4 n cube plus 1 into 2n square is 2n square. This cannot be simplified more than this. Okay, see what we did. First we did the series, take the series here. Here the series without the nth term. So we created the nth term based on the series terminated here. Okay, after this we have segregated the even term separately and odd term separately. And I am considering only the even series to find the answer now. 2 cube, 4 cube, etc. up to 2n cube. If I am taking this series, we can't use the formula directly here. So I am taking 2 cube outside. If I am taking the 2 cube outside, the remaining part of the series are 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube up to n cube. 2 cube will give you the value 8. Here see that it is the sum of cubes of first n natural number. So n into n plus 1 by 2 the whole square formula. Just expanding the square, okay, getting the square inside and expanding the terms, we are getting the value 2n power 4 plus 4n cube plus 2n square. Okay, now we are going to consider the second series. We solved this. Yes, I am going to consider the R series now and I am going to find the value of that series also. So we considered the first part of the series and we got the answer, isn't it? So here I got the answer. Now consider the second part of the series. It is made up of only the odd numbers, so we can't directly solve the cubes of the odd number. So what we are going to do is we are going to take all the numbers first. 1 cube, 2 cube, plus 3 cube, plus 4 cube, etc. up to the last number 2n minus 1 the whole cube. But the question here is only based on odd numbers, but here I have not taken all the natural numbers from 1 to 2n minus 1 the whole cube. So I want only the odd numbers. Means what number should be subtracted here? If I am having 1 to 10, okay, I want only the odd numbers. What number should be subtracted there? All the even numbers. So we have to subtract here all the even numbers. So minus of all the even numbers, that is 2 cube plus 4 cube plus etc. See here, see clearly. Here the last number is the odd number, isn't it? So I have to subtract the even number, means the before number will be the even number. So any odd number we are having, the before number is always the even number. So now here the last number is 2n minus 1. How to identify the before number here? Just we have to subtract 1 from this given number. Okay. So if we want to identify the before number, we have to subtract 1 from the given number. So what will be the before number here? Is 2n minus 2. If I subtract 1 here, minus 1 will become 2n minus 2 the whole cube. Okay. See, from this series, again we are having two series. Okay, because we can't directly find the cubes of the odd numbers, so we are doing some changes. We are taking 1, 2, 3 continuous natural number and we want odd number alone and we are subtracting the even numbers. Again we are having the two series here. We have to consider again one by one and we have to solve and get the answer. Okay, just I am going to now consider the series. First series 1 cube plus 2 cube plus etc. 2n minus 1 the whole cube. First I am going to consider this series. It is the cubes of natural number. Yes, it is the cube of natural number. What is the formula we have to use? n into n plus 1 by 2 the whole square. So what is n here? 2n minus 1. So n into n plus 1 by 2 the whole square. Okay, so that is 2n minus 1. Plus 1 and minus 1 will get cancelled. The remainder is 2n by 2 the whole square. Already I see the square is common for all the terms. So 2n minus 1, if I take the square inside, 2n minus 1 the whole square, 2n square by 2 to the 4. If I expand this here, I have to use the identity because it is in a subtraction. So if you use the identity a minus b whole square. So a square, that is 4n square minus 2ab, that is minus 4n plus b square, that is 1. The next value 4n square, because 2 to the 4, n square by 4. Here 4 and 4 will get cancelled. So you should multiply n square inside the bracket. If I multiply n square here, 4 n power 4 minus 4n cube plus n square. See, 4n square into n square is 4n power 4. 4n into n square is 4n cube minus this is also minus 1 into n square is n square. Okay, this is the value of this equation. Next, we will consider the second part of this equation and we will find the answer. Okay. See, we did the second series and we segregated two parts. Now we are going to take this part. We solved for the first one and we got the value. Now I am going to take the second set of series and we are going to find the value. What is the second set of series? 2 cube plus 4 cube plus etc. plus 2n minus 2 the whole cube. See, as we saw in the first equation 1, we consider the first series form based on even numbers. Yes, here also it is based on even numbers. What we can do? The same thing. We will take 2 cube outside plus 1 cube plus 2 cube plus etc. If I take 2 common outside, the value will be n minus 1 the whole cube. Now 2 cube gives the value h, 1 to n minus 1 term. So n into n plus 1 by 2 the whole square formula. So n is here n minus 1. And n plus 1 by 2 the whole square. Again h, take square inside it before the cancel 1 and 1. Take square inside the bracket for each and every term. So we will be getting n minus 1 the whole square into n square by 2 to the 4. If I simplify this, 1 4 is 4, 2 4s are 8. So 2 into n square is 2n square. And a minus b the whole square formula we have to extract because. So this is a single term, so we take the square inside directly, but here this a minus b is the form of minus, so a minus b whole square. So a square minus 2ab plus b square. A square minus 2ab plus b square. Multiply by 2n square, so we will be getting 2n power 4. 2 to the 4, so minus 4n cube plus 2n square. Okay. So see children, this is a big problem. Actually we have solved for equation 1 already. So I wrote just the equation 1 here. Equation 1 we framed the equation 2 sets of equation for the first two sets of series. For the first series we got the answer as 2n power 4 plus 4n cube plus 2n square. The second set of series again segregated into two series and we got the answer for the first one as 4n power 4 minus 4n plus n square and the second form as 2n power 4 minus 4n cube plus 2n square. Okay, just I wrote the equation 1 and I substitute whatever the values we got here. Okay, now solve for it. 2n power 4 plus 4n cube plus 2n square. Before subtracting this, subtract the terms inside the bracket. Okay, so what we are having? 4n power 4 minus 4n plus n square minus 2n power 4 plus 4n cube minus 2n square. What are the things we can simplify here? What are the things? This is 4n cube, sorry, 4n cube. So plus 4n cube and minus 4n cube will get cancelled. 4n power 4 2 times that, so it is subtracted. 4 minus 2 is 2, so 2n power 4. And n square also here repeating, so 1 minus 2 is minus n square. Okay, 2n power 4 minus n square. What is the first? 2n power 4 plus 4n cube plus 2n square minus of, remove the bracket and take the minus inside. So 2n power 4 plus 4n cube plus 2n square minus 2n power 4 plus n square. What is the common we are having? Plus 2n power 4 and minus 2n power 4 will get cancelled. The remaining is 4n cube, right, according to the power. So 4n cube and 2n square plus 1n square, that is plus 3n square. Plus 3n square. Okay, we saw the question here, second question. They gave the series and asked up to the n terms. So for the first subdivision, to solve the first subdivision, we created the general n term and we solved for the nth term of the given series and we got the value, the sum to n terms, up to n terms. Sum up to n terms is equal to 4n cube plus 3n square. Okay, that is also the second subdivision. We have to find the sum of 8 terms. So using this n term, we got solved the n terms now up to the sum of. Using this, we can find the sum of 8 terms also. So in the first subdivision, we got the summation up to n terms. The answer is 4n cube plus 3n square. Using this one, we are going to solve the second n cube plus 3n square. So n we have to substitute here as 8. If I substitute 4 into 8 cube plus 3 into 8 square, that is 4 into, what is 8 cube? 501 plus 3 into 8 is 64. If I multiply this, 512 into 4, 2048 plus 192. 3 into 64 is 192. So in total we add this 2240. Okay, up to 8 terms. Just we are using the previous answer to find the sum up to 8 terms. So with this totally 7 problems we have completed with this exercise. Based on this way, you have to solve your example problems as your homework. Okay. So with this exercise we have completed the second chapter, numbers and sequences. Okay. Here every problem is different. Each and every problem is different in this chapter based on different formulas also. So be clear with each and every formula that we have to use. Okay. Read the formulas thoroughly. Based on the formulas only we are solving the problem here. So read the formulas thoroughly and keep in mind, and based on the formulas see how to solve the problems. Okay. So revise the chapter thoroughly. Yes children, thank you.